Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add custom color widgets on iOS 14. So what you want to do is when you're gonna hold this and click plus, you have like option to choose, I don't know, clock and everything. But what you can do is just go to App Store and here just write custom or like color widgets, right? This one. And you're gonna see here color widgets, use this. And you can simply choose and change the colors. Just simply press get. I think it's not going to work right now for me because I need to log in my account. But this is pretty much how we do it. And yeah, maybe So thank you very much everybody and have a great day and goodbye.